Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the connection LAN cable internet to my MI TV box. So as we know that the TV box we have USB port, so there is no LAN connection on it. So I just got this adapter. It convert from the USB to the LAN port. So today video I will try to connect it with this TV box, and let's see is it workable or not. Okay, now I already set up the TV box to my Samsung TV, and let's wait for the operation of the TV. Okay, so now it's get ready, and now I try to turn off the Wi-Fi network. Okay, and now we turn it off. And you can see the Wi-Fi is now turning off. And now try to connect the LAN cable. Okay, now we can see the logo of the LAN cable. We can see the line of the LAN cable. It's blinking here, and the Wi-Fi operation still turning off. But we can see some change on the background. And now let's try to get open YouTube. That's it. So we usable to the YouTube, and I try to search free music because I don't want to get copyright. Okay, free music. This one. Okay, that's it. So that means it's usable to use with the LAN cable connection to the MITV box. You only need the LAN cable's adapter, convert to USB and connect it to your home LAN cable, and it's nothing else to set up more than that. Just plug and play. Okay, now if you want to connect back to your Wi-Fi, I suggest to take out the LAN cable from the USB port first, and then we go to the setting and connect back to your home Wi-Fi network, and that's it. Okay, that is all for today video of how you can connect the LAN cable connection to your ITV box. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.